Hi friends, it's Donzella at Ms Donzella Cooks, and for lunch today I'm going to have a simple mayo and tomato sandwich. It's going to be made with whole wheat bread. Very simple, old school recipe, very budget friendly. All it is mayo, tomato. I'm going to add some lettuce, cilantro, because cilantro goes well with tomato. And I'll be using some of this Mrs. Dash pasta blend to go on top of it. But join me in my kitchen. I'd love for you to subscribe to my channel um, for easy, budget friendly recipes, heart healthy recipes. So, this is how I make my simple tomato meal sandwich. I have this lovely tomato here, really nice tomato. So, I'm just going to cut a couple pieces off of here. See how that goes. And I'm going to add my mayo to my bread. And again, friends, I'd love for you to join me in my kitchen where we make simple recipes, budget friendly recipes, heart healthy recipes, low sodium recipes. And with the cost of food nowadays, budget friendly is the way to go. Let's work with what we have in our pantry, in our refrigerator, our freezer, and just get creative with what you have. It doesn't take much. So there we have our mayo. So what I'll do is I have some romaine lettuce here that I've already washed and dried. So we'll just put that on there like so. And I have some cilantro. Let me put my tomatoes on there like that. And slice another bigger slice here. There's our tomatoes. I'm gonna add my cilantro, and then I'm gonna add my Mrs. Dash pasta blend. And this has dried garlic, basil, spices, sugar, oregano, parsley, things like that in there, so you don't have to add any additional um, seasonings to this sandwich. Okay. And this is how we look so far. We'll add our top to that. Oops. Let's see if I can get you back in view again. Sorry, folks. There we go. We'll just slice this like that. And here we have it, friends. Just a simple, easy mayo and tomato sandwich. And this is what I'm having for lunch. I might add a few tortilla chips with it or a fresh apple. You can add some other veggies like maybe carrots or something with it if you like, but this is the basic, simple uh, mayo and tomato sandwich. Okay, friends, thank you for joining me in my kitchen for lunch today. And again, if you like budget friendly recipes, I really would love for you to subscribe to my channel and join me in my kitchen at Ms Donzella Cooks. And have a blessed day, friends.